This is our satay stir-fry fine beans. My version. So we've got 400 of extra fine beans. This has already been trimmed, cut, give that a wash. Heat up your oil. Shallow fry. You don't need for it to be too hot. In with the beans. Like so. Okay, you fried it until the beans get to around this sort of consistency here. It's ready. Take it out. I drain it over a colander like that. Get rid of all the oil. Okay, spring onion. Couple of slices like that will do. That's what we want. Okay, in a wok. We're gonna touch of garlic, onion, fry that. About half a tablespoon of the creamy satay sauce. I'll link that below. Do a touch of water. Dissolve the satay sauce in. Wow, smell beautiful already. Bit of fish sauce and about 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2. That's it. Heats up. This is gonna be the one. Beautiful. Wow. When you cook this, you're gonna love that smell. Sweet, umami. Done. This is our satay stir-fry fine beans. My version. Enjoy, comment below, let me know how yours turn out.